Oh, Jesus. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah.
Being near the water isn't always a blessing. At every shoreline, this is an enormous challenge. According to ancient Greek mythology, this place was home to the three Ariel sons of Helen, Poseidon, and Hippotes. To modern-day Italians, it's known as the lighthouse of the Mediterranean. It earned this name due to its frequent nighttime eruptions, a spectacle that draws tourists from all corners of the globe. Watch as a sudden, violent flash flood rips through a village in Afghanistan. July 2024, a scene of complete devastation. According to Yanto, the mudslide wiped out 4 homes and a mosque. Thankfully, no one was caught in its deadly when it crashed through the town. This is a brutal snowstorm in Ontario. Look closely. You might just spot something that isn't white. Watching this massive sweep through the Australian outback town of Broke is like something straight out of a horror movie. Explosion beneath the ocean. The shockwave is absolutely unreal.
Look at that! Oh my god. Oh guys, we're gonna get some. Whoa! Back it up, back it up, back.
This house in Himachal Pradesh collapses under the relentless force of torrential rain.
Here's some terrifying footage of a tsunami, luckily shot from a safe vantage point.
Oh my goodness! Oh, wow!
Oh my God, that young man barely escaped.
4 buffaloes were swept away by the flood.
The tsunami in Japan swallowed up countless and obliterated everything in sight.
何もかも完全に海水に飲み込まれました。ものすごい勢いです。津波が押し寄せ
Eller bak koy goda ukasa. Türkiye kuro. Hala darayda.
Yes, the drone may be lava-proof, but the operator? Definitely not.
Oh, that jump's right over my head.
The floodwaters are absolutely terrifying, washing away everything in their wake. Nature's raw power is both awe-inspiring and terrifying.
Oh, no.
This landslide left widespread destruction in its wake. As you can see, a man is swept away by the raging floodwaters, struggling desperately to stay afloat. Miraculously, he manages to grab hold of something and pull himself to safety, just in time. Yeah, this is the last thing you'd expect on what was supposed to be a relaxing beach day.
Oh my God!
These people were driving when suddenly, rocks came crashing down from the mountain above. Luckily, they were just seconds away from disaster.
people in this disaster. Oh my gosh, the house is going. Oh my God. Oh God.
The flood swallowed everything in its path.